everyone, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're finding ways how to make money, how to create videos, I'm going to share with you FIVVER, easy video creation for business professionals. Click on the link below if you want to get started. Try making a video for free, and if you're interested, go ahead and join. Other creators, other marketers, everyone that is in business is always making videos, and if you want to make it the easy way, let FIVVER do it for you. Alright, see you there. Bye. Who uses FIVVER? YouTube creators, content marketers, learning and development professionals, education professionals, business professionals and organizations, course creators, content creators, digital marketers, social media managers, enterprise content team, and coaches. So get started today. Don't wait. In my opinion, why I chose FIVVER is because the features that it comes with. AI video editor, you don't have to actually write out the content. It can do it for you. You can actually find an article and create it into a video. Use Quillbot, maybe to change the grammar and the words around. What I love about my view with FIVVER is that it has a AI voice generator. There's lots of voices that you can use through your videos. It has great templates that you can create. You can change the templates if you like. AI editor has a text to video, a script to video, an image to video. You can also add music to video. You can blog to video. AI video generator, text to video generator, ChatGPT video generator, subtitle generator, caption generator, script to video generator, AI music video generator, AI subtitles and captions. Add captions to your video, add subtitles to your video, video transcriptions, audio to text. AI video maker makes Facebook video maker, Instagram video maker, LinkedIn video maker, social media video maker, blog to video maker, corporate video maker, education video maker, explainer video maker, text to video maker, product video maker, promo video maker, video presentation maker. So this is a very good tool everyone uses, especially if you are an entrepreneur, you're a successful marketer. Go ahead and try FIVVER. You know, it's depending on the plan that you want to use. I go by how many videos I want to make per month. So set a goal. Now, if you have a business with team members, then $99 per month would be your best choice. It's 90 videos per month for videos to make, and that can make a lot of videos if you have other business partners. But if you are a content creator like me, YouTube creator, you don't make much videos, you can choose the starter package. That's $19 per month, and it creates like 30 videos per month. You do not have the 11 Labs extra special voices. That would be under professional for $39 per month. But if you're going to make a lot of videos, 60 videos per month, it is a lot of videos. But if you're just yourself, you know, just choose the starter package. I did try the professional. package, and I created a lot of videos, but I didn't make 60 videos per month, so I actually downgraded to the $19 per month. This is a tool for professionals. These are a tool for entrepreneurs that are highly using this product, and it is affordable if you are successful. Now, to become successful, you do have to create a lot of videos on YouTube, so you can try it for a couple months. The first 3 videos are free, and it's amazing that it does the video for you. All you got to do is just tweak it, just change the images. You can actually upload your own voices. You know, if you are wanting to create your own voice, you can. There's many things you can do with Pictory, and it's not just using the script. You can just be very creative, and this is a lot of fun because it's ready made easy for you, and you don't have to work so hard making a video. Okay, if you love this product, click on the link below and get started today.